Heated breathing tube. Aligning the hole and insert. Rotating in the opposite directions. One end is connected to the mask. The other end is connected to the ventilator. Switch on. Do not cover the heated breathing tube with any object such as quilt or any other textiles, etc. to avoid overheat. Always turn off the green power switch of heated breathing tube when not in use. Don't pull the tube body, otherwise it breaks. One hand on the ventilator port, and the other hand holding the heated breathing tube connect. Port to pull towards sideways on the tube.